Hi friends, I am Nadim from Scientific Friends. Today I will show how to check your Emirates ID new and renewal application status from online. Friends, if you want to check your Emirates ID application status from online, so you want to put your Emirates ID application number or Emirates ID number. Friends, if you seen my video first, so please hit the subscribe button and press the bell button for more videos. So let's go on computer screen how to check your Emirates ID application from online. So friends, now we are on computer screen. Now I will show how to check your Emirates ID application status or Emirates ID status. You can check your Emirates ID application status on this website. So now I will open one browser. And I will type on address bar this website www.ica.gov.ae. Then press enter. After you can see this page, this Emirates ID website, this, and you can check your Emirates ID application on this website, and you can see here ID card status, and down check application status, and we will put Emirates ID application number. I will show one Emirates ID application. Which one is the Emirates ID application number? Friends, this is the Emirates ID application. I will make it John. Which one is application number? I will show you. This is the Emirates ID application number. This is the Emirates ID application number 800-220-190-704062573970. This is the Emirates ID application number. So I will put this application number inside the website. 800-220-190-7020-72132613. Then I will click here check, and you can see down applicant information. Application number is here, and application type ID renewal. This ID card is renewal ID application. You can see here ID status, application status, ID renewal aspect more than 15 years. Then Emirates ID number you can see here, and the current status you can see here application under process. When his or her visa stamping finish inside the passport, then they will process your renewal Emirates ID. Then you can see here next step, ICA is waiting residency issuance to complete ID card processing. When your visa stamp inside the passport, then they will process your Emirates ID card. So friends, it is very easy for checking Emirates ID application status. So you can check also your Emirates ID application status with your Emirates ID number. Which one is Emirates ID number? I will show you one, and I will show one Emirates ID. Which one is the Emirates ID number? Friends, this is the Emirates ID, and you can see here ID number, and this is the Emirates ID number starting with 784, then year, then other one is the Emirates ID number, and this is the Emirates ID number. So I will check with the Emirates ID number what is the status, your Emirates ID application status. So same I will put here PN number or ID number. So I will put now ID number 784. 1989 3520. Then I will click the check and I will go down. Here you can see here applicant information. This is the application number, and application type is ID renewal. Expect more than 15 years. Then you can see here Emirates ID number, and the current status is card has been printed. And next step, Emirates ID post center name will be communicated with you to receive your Emirates ID. When your card is ready, then they will send your Emirates ID, which post office you put your Emirates ID application, and they will send your Emirates ID in same post office. Collect your Emirates ID from this post office and to show their your Emirates ID application, and they will give your Emirates ID by hand. So friends, it is very easy for check your Emirates ID status. So thank you. So friends, thank you for watching this video. I will be back again with new amazing updates. So thank you and bye bye.